Hello again, it's Noob, and I have another one of these scan padlocks. You can buy these in the UK quite commonly now. I think it's a relatively new brand, at least one I wasn't really made aware of. Don't know where they came from, but I've seen these on sale for around £14 online on the, I think, Tesco website. And Tesco are massive, they're a big supermarket chain. I think you can get this on B&Q, neither of which are sponsors by the way, but these are big chains in the UK, hardware stores and supermarkets. So, I mean, they do come in quite nice packaging with decent branding, but they don't seem to be anything special for that kind of money. That's what, 17, 18 US dollars. This does seem a bit steep. I mean, it's a standard 50mm brass padlock with a 6-pin key. It's not bad. It says 7 out of 10 security rating, whatever that really means. So let's lob in a bottom of the keyway turner, and there's a bit of core slop there. Don't know if we're going to get any spool pins or anything. Got a 18,000th gems. It's a relatively tight keyway. This is pin 4 here. Nice little click on that. Back to the back. This is pin 6. Give me a little click, I think. And another one. Nothing on 3 there, 2 there. Nothing on 1 just yet. So I'm just going to go back through. Little click on 5. And we're back to pin 1, which is now binding, and we have the open. So I couldn't feel any spool pins in this. It's just standard pins. It's not the worst lock I've ever picked, but it's certainly not the best lock for that price. I would rather get something like spend a couple of pounds more and get something like an Abus or something. But yeah, I mean, I quite like the packaging. Is that something? Do you know what? I think that I might try and give this a rake. I mean, the bitting isn't too bad, but it is all standard pins. So, we'll give it a go. I quite like it if I could rake this. Just be quite good fun if I could. So let's... it's sort of loose tension, quite deep into that keyway. Yeah, and we got it. There you go. Anyway, look, if you like this video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. Hit that subscribe and the notification bell. All really helps me out. Really, really appreciate it if you do. If you've got any comments about this lock, do you have one? Do you own them? Have you seen them about? Let me know down below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.